I'm doing it with the brush. Oh, okay.
Coming in, yeah, flex. I just wanna win, yeah.
Hi everybody, it's your girl Mendys and I'm back with another video. This video is going to be Halloweek day 5, you guys. We're almost there. For new people to my channel, welcome. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below what you want to see in my next video. I will be using the Douglas Caramel Nude Palette once again. And we want to create like a dark look today. So I will be going in with the color Bronzed Please. Now I will be using the color Darker from the same palette. Now I'm going to blend the colors out, and I will be using a plain brush to do it. Now I will be using some concealer, and over the concealer I will apply the color. Let me think. Look at you. Okay, now I will be applying some false eyelashes off camera. Okay, now I will use the same colors that I used for my eyes, and I will do my under eyes with those colors. Now I will blend the color out. My face paint palette that I used in all of my Halloween videos, and I will go in with the color Black. If it's not really clean, don't worry about it, because we will add some more things to it. So as you can see, we're gonna clean it up. Now I will be making a dot at the tip of my nose. the harsh lines out. Now I will be using from the Douglas palette the color Look at You once again. Now I will be using my concealer, and I'm gonna go in with concealer like on these lines. Concealer out, but not too much, just a little bit, because you still want to see that it's lighter than your foundation on your face. Making a big dot on my chin with the color white, and afterwards I will be lining the dot out with black. Continue with this theme, the sparkling Sahara color. I'm going to do my lips with it, but I don't know if it will stick on my lips, but we're gonna try. I'm doing it with a brush. Oh, okay. I'm going in with black to make the rest of my lips. Now I will be using black eyeshadow to fill my lip a little bit more in. And I'm going back in with the bronze. Touch it a little bit up. Just keep going back and forth with those two colors to create the perfect ombre lip. Now I will be drawing a triangle on my eye. Same thing upside down on my under eye, just a little bit longer. And I'm going to do this on my other eye, so be right back. Now I will be using white face paint just to add a little bit more detail. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. Thank you so much for all the support and thanks for watching my videos. Mwah.